Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, yellow color, white color, red color, green color, black color, dark blue color, sky blue color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A for ant. B for box. C for cat. Light green color. A for ant. M for moon. R for rain. B for violin. Dark blue color. D for duck. N for nose. P for pencil. Z for zipper. Orange color. F for fish. K for kite. S for ship. U for university. Dark green color. G for grapes. H for hat. T for tiger. X for X-ray. Sky blue color. E for elephant. I for ink. O for oxygen. Y for yogurt. Red color. B for butterfly. L for lotus. Q for quilt. Yellow color. C for cherry. J for juice. W for window. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, dark blue color, light green color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, violet color, brown color, dark green color. Today we are trying to learn some shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon, heart, oval, rhombus. Triangle. Red color. Triangle. Square. Yellow color. Square. Circle. Orange color. Circle. Hexagon. Sky blue color. Hexagon. Star. Purple color. Star. Pentagon. Light green color. Pentagon. Heart. Dark blue color. Heart. Oval. Violet color. Brown color. Rhombus. Rhombus. Triangle. Square. Circle. Hexagon. Star. Pentagon. Heart. Oval. Rhombus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.